getting ready to head to Real Street to pick up some parts for the Supra, so I'll see you guys there. In case you guys weren't aware, I got a 2016 Dodge Durango. This thing is nice, very nice. First car I ever had this new with this low of miles. Feels good to actually get something for a daily that's not a piece of crap. What's going on, guys? So I went to Real Street today and picked up some Megan lowering springs, 1.2 in the front and 1 inch in the rear. Pretty excited about this. Let me turn off this TV. Couldn't find any good reviews on these springs and what it looks like with these springs on it. So I'll show you what I did here. So to do these, you have to take off the sway bar and link right here, and that nut there, and pull that bolt all the way out. To do that, you have to take off the inner fender liner here and a couple bolts off of the windshield washer fluid jug if you still have it, and then that bolt can slide all the way out. You also need to take out, it's hard to see, but that bolt right there at the bottom of the shock, and then those three up there. I actually loosened the nut prior to taking it out, just got it cracked loose. So I'm pretty excited to see how it sits. So I'm gonna put the wheel on, knock out the other side, and then I'll show you guys how it sits. Alright guys, so I got both sides done. Only the front for now. I want to put new shocks on the rear because I believe the driver's side rear is blown. So that's a good side shock. I kind of like the rake it has. The front tire is bigger than the rear as far as the sidewall is concerned, so it looks lower, but it's not that much lower. I think if I did a bigger sidewall in the rear, the same as the front, it would probably fill out a little bit better. But I'm happy with it. I like the way it looks. Oh, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Probably not gonna be doing much else. Got some stuff crossed off the board, as you can see. Had the car since April, and I did a lot of stuff already, and still a lot more to do. So, alright guys, let me know what you think. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Instagram and Facebook, Boost Technique. I'm tired. Alright guys, have a good weekend.